Good evening to all. Okay. Yesterday we are discussing the topic was strings, right? Yesterday we discussed strings topic, and already yesterday I have given two programs: concatenate two strings, concatenation of strings, and reverse the string. Reverse the given string. Okay. Finished these two programs. Completed, guys. These two programs. Ruhina. Sai Nikita. Okay. Are you present now, all of you? Arvind Reddy, are you there? Arvind, Dolika, Sai Nikita, Lohit.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Finish those two programs. Okay. We did not finish that program, right? Okay. We'll discuss these two programs. After that, string functions we discuss. Reverse the given string. Okay. We have to reverse the given string. How to reverse the given string? Okay. See. First, enter the string. Okay. How to enter the string? See, guys. I want to write a program. How to reverse a string? Program execution starts from a reversing. How to reverse the string without using a function? First, I take string character a of 20 and integer I for looping purpose. Clear skin, it removes the previous output. Enter a string. Yesterday we discussed how to enter a string with the spaces and without spaces. Okay, enter any string. Okay, how to enter a string? See, we can use gets with the spaces. If you want the spaces, gets of yes, we can use. Okay, now if you want to print given string in reverse, if you want to print a given string in reverse, example, if I enter the hello, see, if I enter the hello, how to print? HELLO. Okay, we enter like this /0. Okay, this index starts from 0, right? Index starts from 0. This character starts from 0, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. Okay, fifth index character is a null character. Okay, yesterday we discussed how to print from 0th character to null character. How to print a 0th character, you know this. For I equals to 0, we know this. I equals to 0, a of I not equals to null. We know this. A of I not equals to null character and I plus plus. Okay, and we can print from first character to last character. This is, we can print from first character to last character. If it is a reverse, here what you have to write? If you want to print a reverse, from fourth character onwards you have to print from fourth character, right? See, here what you have to write? I equals to 4, you have to write I equals to 4. Okay, are you following? I equals to 4, you have to write. From what is the condition, you have to write I minus minus, you have to write. From fourth character we have to print fourth, third, and second, and fourth character we have to print, third character we have to print, second and first character and 0th character also you have to print. Okay, here what you have to write? I condition what you have to write? I greater than or equals to 0. Are you following? I from fourth character and up to 0 character. Okay, I minus minus. This is the logic you have to write. If you want to print a reverse a given string, I equals to 4. Guys, see what is this 4? See, if you enter the hello, that is 4, you know this. If you enter the 0, this is 4. Okay, if you enter the hello word, it's not 4. Are you following? This is dynamically you have to take that 4 value. Are you following? End of the string. If you what is this 4? How to write this 4? What is the length of the string? 5 characters are there. 5 character. Hello, 5 characters. Okay, instead of 4, what we can write here? Instead of 4, we can't write directly 4 or 5 or 6 or 7 or 8. Why? Because that is depends upon what we are entering, right? Runtime what we are entering, that is depends upon from that length. Okay, if I enter hello, we have to print from 4. If I enter the hello word some 9 or 10, you have to write. That's why here I equals to what you have to write? Length minus 1 you have to write. Are you following? Length minus 1. Why? Because 4 is what? 5 characters are there, you have to print from fourth character. We have to print from fourth character. That's why I have written 4. Whatever the string you are entering from that character length minus 1, you have to print. Are you following? If you want to reverse that program, first length we need to find out. Okay, how to find out the length? First we need to find out length. Are you following? Why am I finding a length? Okay, if you want to print a reverse, you need to know the length. Why? Because that last character onwards you have to print. If you want to print a last character, how to know the last character? Length is required. Okay, see length, how to find out length? Here I will take I equals to I and length equals to 0. Length equals to 0. Length value starts from 0. Okay, here what I will write? For I equals to 0, for I equals to 0 up to the null character, move it. A of I not equals to null character. I have to move the cursor from I value from 0th character to null character I plus plus. Okay, what will happen? This is, you know, right? This is first character to last character, I value will move. Okay, how many times it is moving? That many times len plus plus I will write. Okay, what is this? This is finding length of the string. Okay, here we can write print of print a length here. Now I want to print a length. Here length equals to, what is the length? Percentile d len. You can write percentile d length. Okay, we check it once. See, once execute, save as any name dot c. Okay, once enter any string. If I enter hello, that is length is 5. Okay, if we enter hello space word, first length is required. Length is required 11 characters. Okay, now reverse. How to print a reverse? From I equals to length minus 1. Are you following? Length minus 1. Why? Because if I enter the hello, from fourth character onwards, you have to print. From fourth character to fourth character, third character, second character, and first character, and 0th character you have to print. That's why I greater than or equals to 0, I minus minus. Okay, this is one by one character from reverse it prints. If you want to give a delay, give delay. Sleep 1 second delay I want to give. If you want to give a delay, give delay. Okay, and I want to print a one by one character, not in the next line, same line I want to print. Okay, percentile c, a of I. If I write a of I, a of fourth, a of third, a of second, a of right, a of 0, up to a of 0 it will print. Okay, see this one error, statement missing. I minus, sorry, enter the hello. See, this is length is 5, o l l e h, that is o l l e h, reverse. If you want to print in the next line, you can write here slash. See, if I enter hello space world, see this world, w, right, rld world, and o l l e h. Clear it is? If you want to print a reverse, we have to write the program like this. Okay, using pointer write that program, and also concatenation of two strings also you have to write. Okay, write this program, how to reverse a given string. Lohit, you understood, right? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, write this program.